Hello everyone. Happy October 24th. Today we celebrate United Nations Day, Bologna sandwiches, and the joy of library memories. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's United Nations Day, a global celebration of peace, cooperation, and shared goals. A great gift could be a world map puzzle, a donation to a global charity, or a book on international diplomacy. What does unity mean to you? Let's build bridges in the comments. Next, it's National Bologna Day, a nostalgic nod to lunchbox classics and sandwich creativity. A sweet gift could be a sandwich-making kit, a retro lunchbox, or a Bologna-themed apron. What's your favorite sandwich combo? Let's stack it up below.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's National Library Memories Day, a cozy celebration of stories, shelves, and quiet corners. A thoughtful gift could be a library-themed candle, a personalized bookmark, or a journal for book reflections. What's a library memory you cherish? Let's read into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.